Having this light is a dream come true. Like, it is a dream come true. led600 light is what I've always wanted, and I got it for my birthday gift. I really appreciate this, the Dasha. Thank you so much. Now we are ready to unbox this, and we're going to start with the tripod. So this is me losing the bolt and trying to, put the tripod together, put it together. So we are finally done putting the bolts together, and it's time for me to just see how long the tripod is. It's not that long actually, but at least to some extent. So I have the charger here. It has two batteries, and these are the batteries. This is the first one, that's the second one, and that's the battery charger. So in case you want to get it, these are the things that this LED lights comes with. Okay, and here is where I'll be placing the light itself, and that's the head. There I'm going to insert it into that place and secure. After that, I'm gonna get the odogu. This is the odogu, which is the light itself, and I'll be inserting it up there. So before inserting, I feel there is a need for me to open up and see the screen, and that's the screen. This is the hole I'll be dipping in here, and there is a roller there to tighten it up so that it will be firm and it will be holding the light. So here is it. Let's see how it looks like. That is the light. This is the switch, the color, and if you want to increase and decrease that, and those are the places you're going to fix in the battery. And what else do I do? Those are just the steps I took in fixing the the LED lights, and that is it. Tell me congratulations in the comment section, and I will see you guys. Bye.